नमस्कार. जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद, श्री अद्वैत गदाधर, श्रीवासदि गौरभक्त वृंदा. Rejuvenating text 28 and text 29 of chapter 1, the activities of Maharaj Priyavrat of 5th canto, the creative impetus of Srimad Bhagavatam. Text 28. अन्यस्यामपि याजायां त्रयः पुत्रा आसननुत्तम स्तामसो रैवत इति मनवन्त राधिपतयः. In his other wife, Maharaj Priyavrat begot 3 sons named Uttama, Tamasa and Raivata. All of them later took charge of Manavantara millenniums. In every day of Brahma, there are 14 Manavantaras. The duration of one Manvantara, the lifespan of one Manu is 71 yugas, and each yug is 43,20,000 years. Almost all the Manus selected to rule the Manvantaras came from the family of Maharaj Priyavrat. 3 of them are particularly mentioned herein, namely Uttama, Tamasa and Raivata. Text 29. एवमुप शमायनेषु स्वतन येष्वथ जगति पतिरजगति मर्बुदान्ये कादश परिवत्सराणां व्याहताखिल पुरुषकार सारसंभृत दोरदंड युगला पीडित मौर्विगुण स्तनितवीर मित्तधर्म प्रतिपक्षो वरिष्मत्याश चानुदीन मेधामान प्रमोद प्रसरण यौषिण्य व्रीडा प्रमुषित हासावलोक रुचेरुक्ष्वे ल्यादिभिः पराभूय मानविवेक इवानव बुद्ध्यमान इव महामना भूभुजे. After Kavi, Mahavir and Savana were completely trained in the Paramhamsa stage of life, Maharaj Priyavrat ruled the universe for 11 arbudas of years. Whenever he was determined to fix his arrow upon his bowstring with his powerful 2 arms, all opponents of the regulative principles of religious life would flee from his presence in fear of the unparalleled prowess he displayed in ruling the universe. He greatly loved his wife Barishmati, and with the increase of days, his exchange of nuptial love also increased. By her feminine behavior, as she dressed herself, walked, got up, smiled, laughed, and glanced about, Queen Barishmati increased his energy. Thus, although he was a great soul, he appeared lost in the feminine conduct of his wife. He behaved with her just like an ordinary man, but he was a great soul. In this verse, the word dharma pratipakshah, opponent of religious principles, refers not only to any particular faith but to varnashrama dharma, the division of society socially and spiritually, and 4 varnas: brahmanas, kshatriyas, vaishyas and shudras, and 4 ashramas: brahmacharya, gruhastha, vanaprastha and sannyas. To maintain proper social order and help the citizens gradually progress toward the goal of life, namely spiritual understanding, the principles of varnashrama dharma must be accepted. From this verse, Maharaj Priyavrat appears to have been so strict in maintaining this institution of varnashrama dharma that anyone neglecting it would flee from his presence as soon as the king warned him by fighting or administering light punishment. Indeed, Maharaj Priyavrat would not have to fight, for simply because of his strong determination, they dared not disobey the rules and regulations of varnashrama dharma. It is said that unless human society is regulated by varnashrama dharma, it is no better than a bestial society of cats and dogs. Maharaj Priyavrat therefore strictly maintained varnashrama dharma by his extraordinary, unparalleled prowess. To maintain such a life of strict vigilance, one needs encouragement from his wife. In the varnashrama dharma system, certain classes such as the brahmanas and the sannyasis do not need encouragement from the opposite sex. Kshatriyas and gruhasthas, however, actually need encouragement from their wives in order to execute their duties. Indeed, a gruhastha or kshatriya cannot properly execute his responsibilities without the association of his wife. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu personally admitted that a Gruhastha must live with a wife. Kshatriyas were even allowed to have many wives to encourage them in discharging the duties of government. The association of a good wife is necessary in the life of a karma and political affairs. To execute his duties properly, Maharaj Priyavrat took advantage of his good wife Barhishmati, who was always very expert in pleasing her great husband by dressing herself properly, smiling, and exhibiting her feminine bodily features. Queen Barhishmati always kept Maharaj Priyavrat very encouraged, and thus he executed his governmental duty very properly. In this verse, Eva was twice being used to indicate that Maharaj Priyavrat acted exactly like a henpecked husband and thereby seemed to have lost his sense of human responsibility. Although, however, he was fully conscious of his position as a spirit soul, although he seemingly behaved like a acquiescent karmi husband, Maharaj Priyavrat thus ruled the universe for 11 arbudas of years. One arbuda consists of 10 crore years, and Maharaj Priyavrat ruled the universe for 11 such arbudas. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.